Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and happy Pride Month. For those of you who don't know, June is Pride Month. It's when a lot of the Pride events and parades and everything take place. And if you're new to my channel, then I am part of the LGBT community. I am transgender. I have a bunch of videos on that, which will be linked up here in the iCards. So I figured to celebrate Pride Month, I would recreate a look that I posted on my Instagram. This look right here, it is a rainbow eye. Now, when I did that look originally, I just used all of the kind of like colored eyeshadows I have in my collection. So I used Sugar Pill, I used e.l.f., I used Urban Decay, ColourPop, just basically a whole bunch of different eyeshadow palettes. Today I'm going to be trying out the Morphe 35B Color Burst palette. I've wanted this for so long. I finally went to order it and Morphe removed it from their website for some reason. I have no idea if it's being discontinued or if they're like revamping it or what. So I picked this guy up off of eBay. Here it is. It's in like the new Morphe packaging. And it's just like a beautiful bright palette. I'm just going to recreate that rainbow look that I did. I never really have done a tutorial on my channel, so hopefully this goes okay. This look was inspired by James Charles. He did like a rainbow eye look for Coachella, I believe. So yeah, without further ado, let's just dip right into this Color Burst palette. So I'm just gonna start by taking this kind of like light nude shade here, and I'm just gonna set my eye. I'm gonna start with the outside of the eye and kind of build inwards towards the yellow, like how I would usually do a makeup look. So I'm just gonna start off with a kind of fluffy brush and taking this bright red shade, and I'm just going to put that into the outer crease and really focusing this on like the outer V and then just blending it upwards. So I'm just taking a little Anastasia brush and I'm going in with like the neon orange here at the top. And we're just going to work that right beside the red, but kind of like blend the two together. That is pigmented. The thing is, like with the blending out, you like lose a lot of the pigmentation. So you're just gonna want to go back in and like build up that red shade, and then build up the orange. It's kind of tedious, but I mean, that's what you gotta do. So now I'm just going back in with that red and just packing it onto the outside of the eye, and then just gently circular motions just over the edges because we don't want to lose a lot of that pigment. I'm taking this e.l.f. packing brush and just going to the orange again and really punching in that pigment. And if you find that like your edges at the top aren't blending really well, just take like a white or a nude color and just really help diffuse the edges. And now I'm going into this bright like neon yellow and we're going to stamp that into the inner corner of the eye. Okay, so that's pretty much the top of the eye. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the bottom eye of the eye. I'm going to start on the outer corner and I'm going to take a tiny little packing brush. This is the Tarte mermaid one, or unicorn one, sorry. And I'm just going to start with this like this bright purple here. It's like this ultraviolet purple. And we're just going to pack that into the outer corner. And then I just kind of want to like smoke it out a little bit. And then on the same brush, I just kind of quickly wiped off the powder, the shadow. And I'm taking this bright turquoise color. And we're going to go into the center of the eye and blending it into the purple. This is the Vintage Cosmetics Company packing brush. And I'm going to go right into the like neon green here. Some neon green. And go right in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to deepen all those colors, make them even brighter and more smoky. I'm just going to take this like shimmery green and mix it with a little bit of this shimmery yellow and pop that into my inner corner just to like marry those two together. Now I'm just going to apply mascara to this eye, and then I'll see if there's anything else I want to do to the eye, and then I will do that one off camera. So I'm just going to quickly go do the other one off camera. I'm going to do the exact same thing, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final rainbow look. It's not the most pigmented eye look. If you wanted it to be brighter, you could do a white base or apply the colors without setting your eye primer, so it'd be a little bit sticky. I think that this is a really fun look, and it's easy to achieve. You just need to be patient and kind of blend it out. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my first, I believe my first tutorial here on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all at the next video. Bye guys.